I'm sure you've heard the news. Siri isn't always as helpful as she thinks. Ever accidentally activated voice control in the middle of a conversation? Let's shut those off in under a minute. First, let's tackle Siri. Open your settings, scroll down and tap Siri and search. Or on newer iPhones, it might say Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, toggle off these three. Listen for Hey Siri, press side button for Siri, and allow Siri when locked. When the pop-up asks if you want to turn off Siri, just confirm. Boom, Siri's gone silent. Still hearing random voice commands? Let's disable voice control too. Go back to settings, hit accessibility, then tap side button or home button. Under press and hold to speak, choose off. Now for that pesky blue microphone icon, head to accessibility, tap voice control, and switch it off. Pro tip, if your iPhone is reading everything aloud, you probably turned on voiceover. Just go to accessibility, tap voiceover, and flick it off. Congrats, no more accidental Siri or voice control support.